Keychron, a name some of you may be familiar with. Did you know that they have mouse? They have mouse, multiple mouse. They sent me two mouse. They sent me two mice today to check out, the M6 and the M7. One of them's an 8K polling rate, and the other one is an ergonomic mouse. So we are just gonna open them up, test them out in some games, tell you how I feel about them, and we'll be on with our day. Of course, dude, look at Keychron, bro. You know they flex with the best packaging out of all of them, dude. I swear to you, nothing could ever happen to this. That's a good job on that. That's a good job on that packaging. Yeah. Oh yes, I love the mice with the little thumb thing on it. Oh dude, heck yeah. Okay, Keychron M7 wireless mouse, 8K polling rate. Keychron M6 4K wireless mouse, and this one is the ergonomic one. Oh, that's cool. It's got like a really high wrist part. Okay, the M6 is $72.99 right now on Amazon. Okay, so the M7 with the 8K polling rate is $69.99. That's actually a really good price for 8K polling rate wireless mouse. Like the 8K polling rate wireless mouse from Gravistar is $125. The Logitech Pro X Super Light that everyone loves, that's $100. So if it's actually pretty usable, then it's a pretty good deal. Whoa. Okay, this thing has a thumb wheel. What the heck? Okay, I gotta quit ruining it. Let's just get it open. We have a user manual. We have a Type-C to Type-C cable. Hey, look, little adapter. We got the adapter, so we're good to go. What is this? What is this? Oh, what is that? It's a little keyboard. Oh, it's a little keyboard. Oh, it's the... Oh, no way, dude. That's the receiver for the mouse. No way. That's the cutest thing ever. Look at that. Oh, this is what the Dare You one looks like for comparison, in case you're, you know, I mean, not to compare, but look at that. And last but not least, mouse. It's got a left and a right. It's got a button, a weird button right here, which I think is what locks the infinite scroll. Yeah, okay, so now that the camera can see a little bit better, you got your regular infinite scroll, and then you push this button, you can lock it. And then now it's just a regular scroll. Very nice. And then there's a little thumb scroll, two little thumb buttons, a little thumb rest. What do we got on the bottom? We got Bluetooth, G. You got your DPI button there. That's your 5G, not just G. You got your wired mode as well. Your report rate, there's a little button for that. You got a 1, 2, 3 button there. Not sure what that does. And then you got your little covers for your PTFE or whatever it's made of. The clicks they're clicky, but not too loud. Very good shape overall. Like Okay, wait. This might be the perfect mouse for me. It like keeps my palm off the edge of my desk. That is actually insane. This is a very well designed ergonomic mouse. There's a lot of thought that went into this. I really like this a lot, and I'm not capping. That's so good. This is actually useful. Holy crap. Anyways, so that's the M6 4K wireless mouse. Let's scoot that off to the side and we'll check out the M7. Oh yeah. Alright, so we got the instruction manual, pretty similar. USB-C, USB-C, same treatment. Different dongle, okay. So they're being all cute with the ergonomic mouse, I see. Alright, so you have your dongle for your Bluetooth, and then you also have an adapter for the cable if you just want to plug it in. Not bad, okay. Alright, and then there's the M7. No infinite scroll wheel, just a regular scroll, 2 clicks, about the same level of noise, maybe a little bit louder. I would say a little bit louder than the ergonomic one, but you know, maybe that's just a state of mind. We got 2 side buttons, the little thumb rest, very nice. We got a little sniper button there. I was gonna say unless it's the DPI, but it's not because the DPI is down here. There's your DPI. You got your 5 gig off Bluetooth. You got your RPT, your report rate, and then your PTFE and your little covers, and then that's where you plug her in. Wow. Oh, dude, this one's nice too. Wait, it also forces your wrist to be more up. It's not as noticeable as the ergonomic mouse, but dang. I can't tell which one I like more. I almost like this one like right away more. It just feels more natural, but I feel like this one would be better for my wrist. Yeah, now that we've introduced them, let's hop into some gameplay. I think I'll start with the M6, the ergonomic mouse. I'll peel these off with you guys. I know how much YouTube loves this shit. I'm always scared I'm gonna like peel off what I'm not supposed to be peeling off, you know? But then I guess it's not built very well if you just peel the rubber right off. So good job, Keychron. Let's see how it feels without those stickers on it, because I didn't really get a very good idea of it. Oh yeah, should've got some grip.
Capture the split ball. 5.
Oh yeah,
4,
I'm gonna be cooking with this mouse.
2, 1. Round 1.
Teammate just picked up a ball.
Oh, bro, relax, man. Hey, chill. I don't want no trouble now.
Your teammate just got a split ball.
Payback. 2 in the hole.
We're at.
Steal. Stolen. I gotta capture it over there. Oh, God. I'm out of here. Holy crap. How am I alive?
2 in the hole.
Let's go, baby. Hey, bro, chill. Ah! Doesn't matter. I scored. You're trash. We only need one more. No. Grab it! Yes!
3 balls scored.
Let's go, baby. How are we end up playing split? Why'd they give us guns as split ball now? That seems kind of busted.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 2. New ball active.
Your teammate just got a split ball.
That's a point.
Oh,
On the board.
New power weapon in the arena.
Enemy just stole a ball from your base. Your teammate just got a split ball.
2 in the hole.
We're at 2. Looking strong.
oh. He's like, I'm taking us both out.
New split ball in play now.
They just stole one from our base.
I'm gone. Protect me. I'm behind you. Oh, you're dead.
They scored.
Bonk.
Let's make the next one ours.
That's 1.
Enemy just stole a ball from your base.
New split ball in play now.
Your teammate just got a split ball. Looking strong. They scored. Don't let them pull ahead.
Oh, that lunge is crazy. You better not be teabagging, bro. Take that back. Take that back. I'm intercepting. He's dead. I'm taking the ball. I'll be taking this. Thank you. I'm gonna head this way, boys. See you later.
Stole one from our base. Teammate just got a split ball.
Bonk. Bonk.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Match point. New ball active.
Your teammate has a split ball. Let it sit.
I'm gone. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Yes, got one.
Heating up.
I'm behind the wall there. That's cringe. New ball. Quit hating, man. Quit punching, bro. That's cheating. Chill, bro.
Ball in play now.
I'm out of here. Oh, God. Somebody's gonna... Ah! Yeah! Suck it.
Your
Oh.
teammate just got a split ball.
They're taking it back!
Stole a ball from your base.
Avenger.
They're up one. Let's respond.
I'm out of here.
2
That's
points.
2, baby. I'm with you.
Score for the win. Victorious.
Let's go, baby.
Fantastic win. Good work.
I'm punching everybody. All right, well, that was the ergonomic mouse, Keychron. Like I said, I don't know why you guys didn't tell me that Keychron had mice, but I liked it. Felt pretty good. Didn't have any problems with it on my wrist. Now we're going to try out the other mouse and see if that one's pretty good. Unfortunately, I didn't have time to charge it, so we're just going to be using wired mode.
Time for Team Deathmatch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 1.
Time to go out there and show what you've got. Smash it. Earn the most kills. Secure the victory.
Kickoff.
Worth it.
The lead. Let's get it back.
New power weapon in the arena.
The f bro.
Avenger.
Give me the walls. Give me them walls.
Avenger. Double kill. Heating up. Avenger.
I'm turning up my DPI. Oh my god, that's really high. I can handle it.
Round 1.
No, that's way too high.
That's a win for the round.
4, 3, 2,
4, 3.
1. Round 2. Kickoff.
We just pulled ahead. Don't stop now.
Double kill. Avenger.
Oh yeah, buddy.
Heating up. Avenger. Double kill.
Let's go. Got your knee.
Finish strong.
Three kills to go.
Go on.
2 minutes to go. You won the round.
All right, I'll take it.
Stay sharp.
Match point. Avenger.
We're halfway to winning this thing. Nice.
Heating up. Guardian Angel. Double kill.
What's this gun? I'll be taking this.
5
There we go.
kills to go.
This thing is weird.
3 kills to go. Double kill. Victory.
Let's go.
Great win. All that practice is paying off.
All right, that was the Keychron M7 mouse, 8K polling rate. I thought it was great. Fits my big hand very well. I like the little thumb rest that you got on there too. It's really cool. And the macro button, definitely going to be using that. Didn't even know Keychron had mice, but here we are. Glad you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.